Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a Bicester Village come shop with me and a haul. Now, I'm going to be showing clips in a moment of Bicester Village over the last few months because I've been 3 times, I think, in the last few months, but various different things have happened, which meant I have not been able to fulfill the duties of uploading it. And yes, I am standing up. This feels very old school doing this. I haven't stood up in a video in ages. I used to film standing up when I lived at mum and dad's and things like that, but I do not stand up in videos anymore. I don't know why, but it's much easier to sit down and stuff. But I thought, let's do a standing up video today. But without further ado, if you're not already, please take a moment to subscribe. It's really, there's no cost to you for doing so. But we are going to be doing the Bicester Village Come Shop with me. I'm going to put in clips over the last few months. Hopefully you'll see how it's changed and the stuff that's in. I did go the other day on my week off, and I only picked up a few things actually because I had a gift voucher. But let's get on with the Come Shop with me and then we'll go into a haul. Morning, how are you doing? How are you all doing? Hope you're all doing well. Today, can you guess? We're doing a Bicester Village vlog, and I know I have not really been that present on this channel. Work has been crazy, and yes, my hair is fluffy. I washed it this morning and I didn't want to put anything in it. And it is a bit of a grey and miserable day at Bicester today, but we're going to have a look to see what is good, what's round in the shops today, because I been here this year? I can't remember, so I don't think I have. So we're going to have a look around the shops today and see what's new in. So here we go. This is February time and raining, but I wanted to show you this. I thought I got some other clips, but that is the new restaurant that has now opened since. But I went in Coach and do like a bit of Coach, but we'll never buy anything in there unless I win some money or something on the lottery. Not that I play the lottery, but they always have really nice bags, and there is one bag in particular I do really like. I'm not sure I show you that in this clip or when we go later on, but I love it. But it's like it's $2.50 or something. Then was in Tommy Hilfiger. Love a bit of Tommy Hilfiger. If you've not watched my Come Shop With Me and haul from London Designer Outlet, I got an amazing deal on some jeans. Definitely go check that out. I'll leave that linked up above. But literally such a good deal, but like £90 for a coat and stuff in here. And then t-shirts, like 32 for like the classic t-shirts and stuff like that, which isn't, well, I was going to say it's not too crazy, but you know, hoodies and stuff. I hate how like got like a million labels on them now. Lacoste, love this. I feel like it's giving a bit cycling, but I love it, and that's quite nice as a sweatshirt as well, with the big crocodile on it. And then this was the wall of polo shirts. And then when in Ted Baker, I believe Ted Baker is no longer in Bicester Village because they have shut some of their stores. I haven't been to confirm this, but I saw it was rumoured that was going to happen, so I can't be 100% certain. Let us know in the comments if you've been recently and seen that Ted Baker is shut or not. Can't confirm. I know the one in Milton Keynes has. Went later in February as well, really quickly. This was where Canada Goose even was going to be coming, and it was quite a nice sunny day this day. Popped into Coach as well. They had lots of shoes. The red label means it's an extra discount on top of the whatever price of. They've got like a clearance on clearance section, basically, like clearance on top of the outlet price. And I think I'm going to go show you in a minute after I show you like this t-shirt and things, which is like £79. This bag here, this little one here, I would love that. And then went in March, Canada Goose is open, I think it's now shut, and then went in Ralph Lauren as well. So, I did buy something the second time I've been this year. I think I've been 3 times this year, I think. And the second time I went, I picked up a present for Mother's Day for Mum. and it was a Longchamp bag. I bought her a Longchamp bag because she wanted one, and it was the Le Pliage, and it was in a teal colour. I'll put a clip, not a clip, a picture here. I was going to film showing you it, but Mother's Day happened before I had the chance to film it. But anyway, I did pick up a few items this week in Ralph Lauren. Now, I had a gift card for Bicester Village, so I actually only spent, I think, £33 on these two items. It was £58 originally because these were all like additional money off, I believe. Yeah, like I'm looking at them now. Let me go through them both for you. I think I'll put them on a hanger potentially, because they are shirts, so it will make more sense if they are hanging up. So the first one I got is this green one. Now I'll put in clips of me showing you these on as well. This green one with the, is that a purple? It is a purple pony. This was, got everything in a medium. This was, it says original RRP was 115, and then it went down to £92 in the outlet, which isn't that much money off really, is it? Just like 20 something pounds off. But then I got it again on the promotion at £28, so it went down to that price, which I thought was a particularly good price for a Ralph Lauren shirt. It is in like a very forest green colour, but I feel like I could make that work. Now, where am I going to put this? There for now. And then I picked up another one, which I'll just put on a hanger. I picked up another shirt, and this one is in this check, which is loads of different, like maroon and blue and white and a bit of black, and it has got a very subtle navy pony there. Now this one was, it says originally 125, then in the outlet it was 100 apparently, but then went down to 30. So I thought, you know, that's not too bad whatsoever for like two shirts from Ralph Lauren. Not too bad, and they'll be great for wearing to work and other things. So I thought, yes, that is quite good. But yeah, that is everything I picked up in Bicester Village. Hope you guys are all well. Thank you guys for sticking with me through sometimes, but I have filmed a few videos. I want to aim to put up at least one a week, but we'll see how that goes. But I have got a few videos over the last few weeks to show you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not ready, please take a moment to subscribe. It's free, there's no cost to you for doing so. Just click that button down below and ring the bell to be notified of when I upload. But other than that, I shall see you in the next one. Bye. No, man, I still go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.